Khubriu bestat, malu bala ban len. La klem de pli kalat, kumno unlat ban kren. Kini ki Kyntien ki belasot na ke poetry ke dui taraksiar, jong Myllung Soso Tham, ke poetry ke bala ai kerteng uding bilat. Bat kini ke Khuboru ke thau syakata ke Mynta. Henry ke baya daypat bat ke sap ke pong jong ki khun ke jela jongi. Ha ke ba lada kalat kampli ki kumno kin penpau ya kita ki sap jong ki. Ke ba utrai nong bu nong thau ula ai heki. Tungin yakmi ya kini ke Khubor Shipor. Kani ke day ke St. Claret High Secondary School ke bedon ha ke Shong Nongrim Shillong. Ke school ke bedang seng dang ha ke snem arhajar san. Henry watla kadang brit ha kerta jongka. Kumba kalong Mynta ka ai ka jing syakri ban pensut hit ya ka jing nang ka jing start ya ki spangut ki khna na kaleng ka jalla. Kumba long lem ki wei ki school. Kabenta kaba khmat hi kalong ban penang pen start iki khna na do class arit kata nursery Haduh ke class kaba khat ar kata class 12 bat bante ya ka long renyeng jongki Henry ke kabala penlong ya ka kenhon jong ka donbosco media network television ban pai khmat shekani ke school. Na lor ka jing puli, ki jing ile kai bat ki wei de ki sap bagi kena ki don ha kini ke school, lakmi binya ru ya ka sap jing ki kena ha ka tem kaput bat khantam ha ki jing ruar. Ha ka bala aila iki ban pentebet bat penjanai shu ya ka sap jong ki. Ban penjanai shu ya kini ki sap jong ki, la don ru ka wei kanong hikai ka bapet kerpang ya kini ke Mynta kata de kong rida berbot.
Music is a vital part of education because it nurtures creativity, sharpens focus, strengthens self-expression. It helps students to, develop critical thinking, teamwork, perseverance, the skills that extend far beyond classrooms. It also strengthens the cultural awareness and also gives a very healthy platform, outlet for self-expressions. We encourage our students by making them participate in various programs. We give them varieties of platform. Our recent initiative of forming an official choir for the school. Besides that, they have the talent search programs. Also, our teachers, scout for the talents, singing talents among the students, and they are streamlined and given special practice, and we give them avenues for performance, participate in the competitions, etc. Students receive both theoretical aspect of it as well as the vocal training. Fortunately, we have a teacher who is interested in the music, singing. She also does musical compositions, productions. So therefore, she is able to guide them. So we catch them individually and give them training. And also there are occasions that they are trained for various performances.
You came in a bad time, but you just crossed the line. You gotta get wild? Okay, sure it would. Maybe right, better talk, kick you to a level. Cause the job better try to stop a battle. Reason if I line up, try to stop a battle. Start kicking you is what I do, yeah. Not, son, pull, and then let's pot. You boosters, 7 padding boosters. My pizza keeper, aki tidy on your pickle. Nugging you out like a lullaby. Hear the sound ringing in in your mind. Better sit down like a show, 'cause I'm gonna show you how it's done, done, done. Una face to the way, una fate now. Getting fast, you know way how it's done, done, done. Okay, well, I'm in bed, put it with a pencil. So let's watch it. It's how it's done, done, done. Hear the voice, oh, wait on it. Till the make a fist tonight. Till the so where did it do the something love? How it's done, done, done.
In fact, as I mentioned, we do not have a professional teacher, but we have a music teacher who is well talented, who is versatile in musical composition and what you call singing, and so she trains him. You can, though she is continuing to be here as a teacher, you can call her professional in that sense.
Yakini ki kena ki badon sap ha karwai la tharu ya ki kenhon ni ke school choir ha ka ba palat san phongot ki kena ki shimenta ban pinkre ya ki jingrwai ki babonjat ha shwa bekin let ya shimenta ha ki rinsan ki bla sha khot snobha ken thobru ha ki rinsan ya ko.
Our choir as a school, official school choir is a recent initiative to streamline them. But then we had given them various opportunities. They had also performed in various state level, block level, district level competitions. They have also performed in certain invited programs like at the state convention hall organized by the Education Department of the Government of Meghalaya. And they have also performed in All India Radio for the kids segment. And various other programs they have been invited to perform. Besides, they have also participated in various competitions. That way our choir has brought laurels to the school, and that makes us to streamline and more focus in developing a beautiful and wonderful choir for the future. Music requires practice, which instills, consistent practice, which instills confidence in the student, which instills discipline, a sense of discipline. Performing in front of, let's say, peers and in a wider audience, that gives them confidence, that instills them in confidence, and also, it gives them a chance to trust in their abilities.
Shim subject ye kiru umdai tang haka music di ngashim computer subjects, then ke ALT alternative English. Tadi kita ke subject bangashim ke moral science ngashim, but kani gede ka benta ka bangas ngutenat ya ka bangashim ye ki banga iet ban ruai ngastenat ban hikai jing ruai ki kena habarang sedang ningkong te very tough ma namar ba ki kena lalong no bapli ki 4 jumlien ban ruai ma ti man ong ban shu ruai kam de ka basuk ban shu ong to ruai kam tu to okay kam de ka basuk ti haban train ye ki kum no bakin ruai kum no bakin control ka voice jong ki ka vocals jong ki mo ngi haban train ba ma ki kena red habang hi kai ban ruai ki ting ting dong ruai ki ruai be kum tu mo gi sngutana la ka jong long no ki ai met ba men sim kan ki hala be te long anda ki la kham he ting haban groom hai ki ha ta ko they should know how to control their voice kata ga de but kinda ki ruaru they should get that correct note ma ka jing tem ye hi kai gum to ma gini ki khasi instruments ka guitar ki don ki student ki blanang lupa ki la don lupa ka talent jong ki bakin tem ma she sen ai ki tang tiak tiak kum tu ki la la kan ti bon sen hi gini ki khasi instruments ki kloi ban bat mo ke management juga school ti ka I men sim ha kan ha ka music mo ni da don kam ke ru they never say no ki pen biang ni don kam ki sound ke ru ki pen biang ni don kam ki mic ke ru ki pen biang ni don kam lada ni don kam ka por ba ai por ringi in practice sama ba nim don mo da ka class ni ha ban shushim da ka por jong ki tu ti dengi pan por na I father he never say no ti ai be kin ka poringi ti ngiru ngilong smutenat te begin tre ada ngiyo kham tam nei da bangiyo ka support na ka management em kalong ngi he man sim begin ya chakmat ke
It fills me with pride and joy. It's like a very shy student transforming himself or herself to a vibrant singer, performing artist. It's the most rewarding experience as a principal. I see our alumni, very especially our alumna Jessica Karkongo, who recently has come out with a musical video, and she called me for releasing it. And these are all matters of pride and joy. Our own Claretines, alumni in the musical field, producing their own videos. Those are moments of pride and joy.
Kumba kalong Mynta, kani ka school kaladep pen kreru ban pen mi ya ka wei ka jingruai, ha ka balarwai batem de ki kena jong kani hi ka school ringkat ka music video, ha ka ba shen ensepelat pat ba ya ka.
We wanted to celebrate our students' talent, and showcase to a wider community. And I believe that actually gives them more confidence, builds in them confidence and so that they can reach across to others. Way back in 2012, I remember our teacher, the music teacher whom I am talking about referring, Ms. Ridalin Prabhat. I told her that we shall come out with a school anthem. And I had some background of videography, and I was in the film field when I was young. So therefore, I just asked the teacher to come out with a musical video, our school anthem. And she has taken up gratefully that project, and wonderfully she has done. She learned the art of script writing, how to shoot a musical video. And after that, she came out with so many musical videos. And she has, on her own credit, as well as for the school, she has come out with various albums and musical videos. And now we have another project that is coming up. So these are, when we have talented teachers, dedicated and committed to passionate teachers who can do a great lot in this field, why not give them a platform? Why not give them a chance to come out creatively? So that is what inspires me. In that, when I talk about inspiration, I was just thinking about, the other day I was just asking one of us, a small kid, a class 2 kid, about music, singing. And she was talking a great lot about singing and music. And she's quite good in singing, class 2, which inspired me, which gave me a notion. I should also start a junior choir, starting from class 2, maybe let's say 5, because our present choir consists from class 6 onwards. So from 2 to 5, why not we start a junior choir, at the preliminary stage. Some of them are good singers.
Ngin pelak ya katiza hak arpoi terek jom Jun kata kadi ka World Music Day. Te ka full video pat ngin sa release hak closing ceremony jong ka talent week jong ki kenal.
Ha perteng em panjlan serngil jong nungin nila ka chong chatui ban ngam ni day shak liat ban kiu ngen wat la kak sam ngin tur da ching ang nu pran nap hang wat in wat ding ching yap kan Juan aku mensil kum snap serangkan Da usya utar utrun din jacong ngungen but Long shwa uklem benut das ep udah waju kerbe ring dor swabab henbut jing mong wat la kaksam pen elak